In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use WP Engine localhost in 2025. Whether you're new to WordPress development or are an experienced developer, Local by WP Engine is a powerful tool for developing WordPress sites right from your computer. Let's dive in and get started with setting up your very own local hosting environment. First, the journey begins by downloading and installing Local by WP Engine. You can do this easily by heading over to wpengine.com/local. The download process is straightforward and user-friendly, ensuring you have everything you need to set up WordPress on your computer effortlessly. Once the installation is complete, you're ready to move on to creating your new site. Next, open Local on your computer. You'll be greeted with a clean, simple interface, and from here, you'll want to locate the button labeled plus New Site. This option allows you to start setting up a brand new site in just a few clicks. It's ideal for those looking to rapidly spin up a test environment or commence a new project without any specific hosting setup. After you've initiated the new site creation, you'll need to enter your desired site name. Take this opportunity to choose something that reflects the purpose or brand of your site. Along with your site name, you'll also configure the local site domain. This domain is how you'll access your site from your local browser, so choose something memorable and easy to type. Moving on, the next step is to choose your preferred environment settings. This involves selecting the PHP version and web server type you would like to utilize. The options available cater to a range of development needs and preferences, whether you're building something lightweight or require specific versions to match your live hosting environment. Choosing the correct settings here ensures compatibility and helps simulate your production environment as closely as possible. Once you've configured these settings, you simply click on Add Site or Create Site, and Local will automatically handle the WordPress installation for you. This automatic setup saves you a significant amount of time and streamlines the process of building your local development environment. After Local has completed the setup, you can access your new site by clicking Open Site or WP SEO Admin. This action will take you directly to your WordPress dashboard, where you can begin customizing, testing, and developing your site to your specifications. You can navigate through themes, add plugins, and start populating your site with content, all within your local environment. Finally, one of the core benefits of using Local is its ability to allow for robust development and testing of your WordPress site right from your computer. You have the freedom to experiment, make changes, and refine your website before deploying it to WP Engine or another hosting environment when you're ready. Whether it's customizing themes or